Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Or how has it gone? It's 7:38 here, p.m. I've been up, took my shower and stuff. And that's it. Put on another caftan. And I'm just now really getting up because I've been taking allergy medicine. And that knocks me out. So, I'm getting ready to make some salmon salad. I buy them by the stacks like this. Also, I buy tuna like this too. Sometimes I mix the salmon and the tuna. But you make this just like you make tuna salad. So that noise you hear in the background, that's my egg cooker. So let me lower this. Show y'all another gadget. Right here. Okay. So the red light went off, plus you hear that noise. That means it's done. You have to be careful. It's a hole on top, and that steam will get you. So this hard cooked my eggs. I got a cup over here in the sink. I'm going to immediately put this in cold water. I had one egg to burst. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put it in here. If it ain't too bad, I'll use it. I'm gonna plug it, and this whole thing is hot. I'm gonna clean this after it cools. It's an egg cooker. Okay, so this is what I'll be putting in my salmon salad. Well, I'll just show y'all as I do it. And I ain't using no bowl. I'm going to use a gallon Ziploc bag. Put everything right in here. You got to deal with no bowl. Okay, I've already chopped up my onion and bell pepper. If I had celery, I would have added that too. But might as well go in here right now. Onion and bell pepper. And I freeze my bell peppers, y'all. I very seldom use a whole bell pepper. So I just cut what I want and then I freeze it. Throw it in the freezer. That's in there. I'm going to use the rest of this relish. Famous Dave's spicy relish. I got a little left. Just using the rest of it. Juice and all. Okay. That's trash. I'm going to use my garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt seasoning. I haven't even put the salmon in here yet. Just shaking everything in the bag. Use the rest of this jollof rice seasoning. I have a teensy tiny bit left. Might be enough. So you gotta get to it. Using yellow mustard. That's good. Let's see if this will come out. The real mayonnaise. Sometimes they don't want to squeeze out. It tastes different from Miracle Whip. This is more savory. Miracle Whip is sweet. Okay, I want it to come out. It ain't coming out. Gets on my nerves. use my Miracle Whip. It's more sweet. And I think I'm gonna eat my salad with some crackers. Sometimes I make a sandwich. Sometimes I eat it with crackers or even potato chips. I got potato chips. Make sure I get enough. I'm not sure how many packets I'm gonna use yet. Oops. Get that off the floor before it get tracked everywhere. Get this up right now. Now I'm going to start putting in my salmon. Like I said, you can make your tuna salad or mackerel salad just like this. That's the way it looks. You don't have to be dealing with no juice and oil and all that. Feel for the corners to see if any is left inside. Okay. This is something kids in the college dorms can make. Quick and easy. Still feels slow. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish this, and I'll show y'all the next step. Okay, get my eggs. You immediately put cold water on them. The shell should come off easy. That's how the inside looks. So the egg cooker cooks very well. Have to rinse them. Okay. If I had a real good knife, I wouldn't be doing this in my hand. I ain't trying to waste nothing. One more egg. Couldn't have did this earlier because I was sneezing and snotting and oh my gosh, rubbing my eyes. It was terrible. So I still got a couple eggs left. I might eat them tomorrow. Okay, now for the smushing. Smush all this stuff up together. Everything's in one bag. Seasonings at the bottom. Close it up good. Everything is evenly distributed. The seasonings, the mustard, the mayo, the Miracle Whip, and the relish. Taste it. Make sure it don't need nothing. There's no sweetness. That's more relish. I got some sweet relish. The right amount of onion up in here. I really love bell pepper. Fold this down some. Should be good. All mixed. Okay, I will be back and plate it up. Here is my, I don't want to say late night snack, because this is the only food I've had today. It's 8:05. So here's my salmon salad, glazed potato chips, and I'm going to eat that and be happy. Okay, of course these chips are too delicate to dip. You probably need the dipping chips, but I like these better. And I also have a fork. So, let me taste it. The salmon salad is delicious. Kind of sweet and savory. A lot of sweet pickle relish up in there. And the Miracle Whip. All the spices. It's good. It's all my fine china. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.